Hello. Welcome to today's forest bathing while self-isolating, where I take you out in the woods with me every day and we explore nature together. We're watching spring unfold and it's beautiful. So I've brought you to see how the bluebells are doing. This year I'm not going to be able to go to the bluebell woods, which are a sight to behold. You can look in one of my older videos. But there are enough bluebells here in this wood that there's going to be a beautiful sight in a few weeks' time. A sight and a scent as well, because the scent of them fills the woods. I can't wait. So here's the bluebells. They're coming up strong. It looks like a bed of grass, really. I haven't seen any buds coming out yet. It's a bit early, but in a few weeks this is going to be pretty as a picture. So today we're trying something new, and it's new for me as well as you. Normally when I'm doing forest bathing, I'm with the person and we're doing it together. This is kind of exercising my imagination to do it by video, so bear with me and tell me if it's working. So we're going to go and smell things. I'm going to take you to the most beautiful smell that I know and love. And I'm hoping that you can explore that with your mind. So in forest bathing, it's mindfulness in nature. We're getting into our senses out of our busy brain, which can make mischief if we spend too much time there. And we're getting into the body, and we do that through the senses. And so far in these videos I've brought you lots of sights of nature and sounds of nature. How about smells? So I have such a treat for you now. And this really is going to exercise your imagination. This, at the moment, smells a bit like a lawn. It smells like grass and fresh foliage. If I take a piece off and I crush it, something quite else happens. Wow! So I'm hit with this resinous, lemony smell, and then there's a kind of an earthy kind of aftertaste. It's amazing. Oh, beautiful. Now, many of you will have a tree like this in your garden. This is a cypress tree. I don't know what kind. And many people have cypress trees planted in their garden. It's the ones that have got the foliage like this. And I invite you, if you have a garden, to go out and pluck some and breathe it in. Oh, it's so beautiful. And there's loads of research that this is really good for us. So these compounds of chemicals that we're smelling in, it's what the plant is giving out to protect itself, and research shows that it's really, really good for us to smell it. So if you can't go out in the woods at the moment, If you have one of these in your garden, or if you're walking past a garden on your way to the shops and there's one of these hanging over, just pluck off a little frond for everybody in your house and have a smelly experience later on. It's so good for us, and it's so delicious when we're kind of sensory deprived, which we are at the moment. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for coming. If you'd like to see more of these videos, click the subscribe button and the little bell, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.